Unahin natin yung mga binigay muna ni asawa sa akin. Let's start with this one. This is the Zuru Mini Brands Fashion. Next gift that I got this Christmas, guys, is this 2024 Holiday Barbie. It's another gift from my husband. Isang gift lang ang hiniling ko sa asawa ko this year. Because I know wala siyang pera at kung meron akong gusto, binibili ko talaga. I just asked him to buy me a certain perfume which I got and I'll show you that one later. So yeah, ito ay galing sa kanya. Actually, I didn't really ask for Barbie because wala na talaga akong malagyan dun sa aking shelf. But it's nice. Makes me happy. This is not cheap. So, it's a great addition for my collection. Kahit hindi ko siya hiniling, I got a holiday Barbie. Okay, another gift from my husband is the Tiny Topia golf pen set. So, I love mini golf, guys. We love playing mini golf. Me and my husband, we love playing mini golf either indoor and outdoor. But because winter time, hindi na kami masyadong naglalaro. Hopefully, next year. It's really nice that he got me this. I can just sit in the chair and put this in the table and, just play shooting. It's probably gonna be hard because the hole is too tiny. So yeah, I'm really happy he got me this one. Okay, next gift that I got from my husband is this one. This is a drone. I think couple years ago he also gifted me a drone because I kind of like interested to learn how to fly a drone, but that one didn't work. We did try it, didn't work, so again he gifted me another one and hopefully this one we can make it work. Hindi ko na siya bubuksan, guys, kasi masyadong magiging mahaba yung video natin. So yan, I just want to share with you. Ito ay galing sa aking asawa. So marami din ako mga chocolate na natanggap galing sa aking asawa. Like this one, a Ferrero Rocher white hazelnut. I think this is like a bar style of this one. Hindi ko pa to natikman, hindi ko pa to nasubukan, but I'm thinking that it looks like the same, but it's just like parang bar siya, chocolate bar. Ito naman is individually packed. Yeah. He gave me a lot this Christmas. I didn't give him a lot. I only gave him few couple stuff. This is not from him. We got it from my sister-in-law. It's a gift for us. It's not just for me. It's a gift for us, but I might as well include it. It's from it's a gift card. It's a $30 gift card for IHOP. Nauna pa nalaman na may bagong magbubukas na IHOP dito sa aming area. So, nauna pa niyang nalaman. Kahapon lang namin nalaman nung nakita namin ang building na dating Red Lobster. IHOP na pala. And he gifted us a gift card. That's nice of her. And my husband gifted me a Sakura gift card, which makes me really happy. Kasi last night, I was thinking I'm gonna go tomorrow to get me my favorite salmon teriyaki. And my husband gifted me a $50 Sakura sushi gift card. I do love that restaurant so much. When I miss eating salmon teriyaki, that's where I always go. So that's gonna be a lot of, like, I don't know, 4 salmon teriyakis. Let's go to the gifts that I gave myself this Christmas. If you've seen my previous vlogs, I already gifted myself shoes and handbags. So, mahilig din ako sa perfume, and I gifted myself a lot of perfume this year. I think I'm overdoing it. So these two, if you've seen my previous vlog, these are part of the 24 days I was gonna do. 24 days of Christmas present. But just a recap, yan, ito yung first perfume na regalo ko sa sarili ko this Christmas. So, this is the Calvin Klein mini perfume gift set and the Estee Lauder mini perfume also gift set. Muntik ko nang nakalimutan. Ito yung perfume, guys, na I had in my wish list this Christmas na binigay ko kay hubby. This is the only thing I really wanted this Christmas because yung meron na akong ganito kaso lang paubos na sila lahat. So I asked him when we went to Sephora if he could get me one. Just this one. I didn't even ask for Barbie. So ito lang talaga yung gusto ko this year. And he got me one. The Calvin Klein mini perfume gift set. And what I love in this perfume, kahit maliit siya, they're all spray. They're not dabbers. So, yeah, I already have this for like I got 2 years ago, 3 years. I don't even know, but because I have a lot of perfume, it took time to finish them all, but sobrang paubos na sila lahat. Yung konti na lang na kong maubusan kasi I love all of them. Kaya, ayan. He gifted this. This is from my husband, not from myself, but it's for my husband, Calvin Klein perfume gift set. So, yeah. He really gave me a lot this year. I only give him 2 gifts. This one naman is from me to me. This is the Calvin Klein Escape. This is my 3rd bottle. Last year, my husband gave me one. Yeah, last year he gave me one, and that one is paubos na, sobrang konti na lang. So I went to Walgreens and got me a new one, another one. I'm glad that they're still selling it because I really love this perfume. Let's open it. Also a Calvin Klein. I'm a Calvin Klein handbag collector, guys, but as you can see, I didn't buy Calvin Klein bag this year. I actually bought Michael Kors handbag. So this is the Calvin Klein Escape. It's super smells so good. One of my favorite. Kaya pangatlong bote ko na to. Sobrang bango and it's very long lasting. Oh, naamoy ko na kahit di ko pa nabuksan. Sobrang bango, guys. Sobrang bango. Calvin Klein Escape. Yeah, yung ano ko, yung bote ko, yung binigay ni Habi sa akin last year, dito na lang, oh, sobrang konti na lang, kaya ayoko ring maubusan. So, this is my 3rd bottle for this perfume. It smells so good and very long lasting. It lasts so long on me. So, it's one of that perfume that I'm gonna keep repurchasing kasi sobrang paborito ko siya. It's super long lasting on my skin and my clothes. Sobrang bango, guys. Another from me to me is this, perfume from Estee Lauder, and this is the Beautiful. I got this from Ulta. Yeah, this is just a small perfume, and I think this cost me like $25 or $29. Because I tried the first one, you know, the small one from the set, and it smelled really good. Perfume na to, kasama siya dito oh, sa set na ano, na maliliit na set dito sa box na to. But this is a little bit bigger, and it's really funny because this is I only paid $29 for this at the large because they're selling it for $42, but I got 40% off or 30% off, and this one bottle alone is like $25. I got it from Ulta. So, mukhang nalugi ako, diba? But it smells really good. So, I decide among these 4, I decide to get me a little bit bigger. And then I'm gonna also, I plan to buy this one. I'm gonna buy a bigger size of this one because this is also smell really good. Estee Lauder Magnolia or Beautiful Magnolia. Yes. Yeah. And this is the Estee Lauder Beautiful, and it smells really good. So yeah, another perfume that I got me for myself, a self gift this Christmas. Another from me, more from me to me, is another fragrance gift set, and this one is from Paco Rabanne. Nakita ko to siya sa Ulta, hindi siya masyadong mahal. Yan, $35 for 2. It's a set of 2. Hindi ko pa nasubukan ang line na to or ang fragrance line ng Paco Rabanne. This is my first time trying a perfume from this brand. Let's go unbox it. Tingnan natin yung mga bote niya in person. Again. Okay. Ooh, look at the box, guys. Oh, they're very cute. They're very tiny. I love that packaging. I don't think there's spray. Let's go get a snip on it. It smell good or not. First time ko to bumili ng ano sa line na to. Paco Rabanne. I always see them in commercials, so I thought like maybe I would try it since I'm. Yung bote niya, sobrang ganda ng packaging, no? Ang liit. Ang liit. Paano ba ito buksan? Oh. I hope I won't destroy it. Oh, they're not spray. They're dabbers. Oh! Oh, it smells so good. I better read what's the notes of this one. I don't even have any idea what are the notes. Nung nakita ko to sa Ulta, I thought, man, that bottle are so cute. So, yeah, I got me. It smell really good. So, sabi dito sa box, this set include Fame, Uda Perfume, and Fame Parfum. So, I don't know which one is the Fame and which one is they're both Fame. It said Fame Uda Perfume and Fame Parfum. So, I figured this is the original maybe, and this is the this is the Fame Uda Perfume, and this is the Fame Parfum. What's the difference, guys? You tell me. Giorgio Armani also do the same. Like they have the Eau de Parfum, they have the Parfum. So yeah, that's cute. There's a really cute bottle. And yung ano niya, yung bote niya, parang yung Carla Gerfield na design. Yeah, this is from Paco Rabanne. So that's another gift that I got me for myself this Christmas. So let's move on to the next one. Next gift that I got myself this Christmas is this Dolce & Gabbana Devotion. It's a Devotion perfume. And I don't remember what's the price of this, guy. You can look it up. I think I got this at Sephora inside Kohl's. So what we have here in this set is the small size. I think this is a dabber, and a bigger size, and a spray bottle, a bigger size. I can't open it, guys. Paano ba to? Oh, here you go. Oh my god, I can't take the box. Oh. Okay. This big one. Oh, this is a really nice bottle also. It really looks so heavy. You know, the glass? It felt very heavy. And Dolce & Gabbana Devotion. I did have a Dolce & Gabbana before, and I also love it. I think I bought myself last year the small size of the light blue Dolce & Gabbana, I can't pronounce it. Dolce & Gabbana light blue. It was also a good perfume, and I still have a little bit left. But I was gonna buy a bigger size, but I was when I see this, nung nakita ko to sa I decided to try out this one. Let's try if it smells good. Oh, this like a powdery smell in it. I don't like perfume, guys, that had powdery smell, but I can tell that it seems like it's powdery smell. When I bought them, I don't even know what their notes. I thought this is Christmas, so I'm giving myself a lot of Christmas gift. Why not? When you work, you get a bite. Oh, it smells good. It actually smells good. So, we're gonna test them out, lahat ng perfume na to, and then later on, maybe I'm gonna make a short video on which of them are long-lasting and which of them I'm really, really liking. So, yeah, another from me to me self-gift this Christmas 2024. Dolce & Gabbana Devotion Fragrance. Konti na lang, guys. Malapit na tayong matapos. Okay, this one naman is from Jean Paul Gaultier Divine Perfume, and it's $35. And if I remember it right, I got this from Ulta Beauty. Look how sexy that bottle is. So let's go unwrap it. Wala kasi akong cook. Yung mga cook ko sobrang soft, kaya I can't grow them very long now. Napuputol sila eh. Sexy naman ng bote eh. Ouch. Ito nahulog. Mahulog pa yata. Yan. Mahirap buksan, guys. Oh my god. I can't even get the top. So, ayan siya, guys. Sobrang sexy naman ng bote na to. So, ito, first time ko din itry ang line na to, or ang brand na to. Kung ayaw niya matanggal. So, ito yung travel spray. Normal na, na bote. And we'll try, give it a snip. Smell good. Every perfume smell good. I don't know, pero nung makita ko din to sa Ulta, ito na, ang sexy naman ng bote na maliit na bote na yan. So, yeah. And because I want to give myself a lot of gift this Christmas, so I decided to get a lot of perfume. Besides, I have a lot of handbags. I mean, three Michael Kors bags because I'm crazy. I was go get my shoes. I can't take this one out, guys, but yeah, sobrang cute ng bote, oh, sobrang sexy niya. It's like a shape of a body of a sexy woman. That's not me. I'm not sexy. So yan, guys, another gift for myself. Jean Paul Gaultier perfume. Jean Paul Gaultier Divine Fragrance. So yan. I still got 2 more fragrance that I got me this Christmas, guys. But before we go to the last 2 perfume, we'll open this one first. This is also a gift for myself. A gift that I got myself. Dumating siya kahapon. Akala ko hindi na darating before Christmas, but my God, it came yesterday. I lost hope na matatanggap ko siya before Christmas, but gladly, fortunately, dumating siya kahapon. So, we're gonna unwrap it at the same time, guys, with you. And this is from Kate Spade, New York, and I think this is called Kenzie card holder, something like that. Lagay ko na lang dito, guys, yung name ng ano na to, ng bag na to. This is a handbag. By the way, another bag I got myself for Christmas 2024. I think this is called Kenzie something card holder, or mahilig ako sa maliliit ngayon kasi wala nang malagyan. Wala na tayong malagyan. Pag bumili tayo ng bag, kabibili natin ng 3 Michael Kors bag. So, this time, maliit naman siya. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I have already mayroon na ako mga ganitong klase na bag na maliliit. I got 2 Coach na the same lang siya na at saka yung dalawang bag na DKNY. Ganito din yung klase. Oh, look at that! This rose pink. Is it pink? No, it looks pink. It's Kate Spade logo. Metal niya. Oh my God, I don't wanna open it. It's too precious. Okay. Kasya kaya yung cellphone ko dito? Mukhang hindi magkasya yung cellphone ko. Ito ay parang maliit siya na handbag or maliit na wallet. Of course, hindi pwedeng wallet na may kasama siyang chain. And purang hindi kasya yung cellphone ko dito. Ayan o, liit o. Meron siyang, ito yung compartment in the center. Meron siyang parang maliit na compartment na para sa mga credit card and another compartment here. So, parang you can put your credit card here and you can put your money right here on the other side. Yung logo ng Kate Spade. It's a beautiful color. Another pink. So, sobrang cute niya, diba? Ang cute! Super cute. At yung chain niya. Parang yung Coach ko na na bag na meron na ako. Liit na I might as well take them all. Take them all out. So, ayan guys, diba? Tanggalin ko na siya. Gagamitin ko naman siya eh. Parang ang haba ng strap. Okay, I'll be back. Sobrang cute. My gosh. Look at that. I fall in love already. It's so precious. I don't wanna use it. Yung color niya is so pretty. Meron na akong ganito, yung DKNY ko, pero yun siya parang more than, yung pagka-pink niya is way more like bright. This one is just the right pink that I really love. Sobrang ganda niya. And in gold chain. Parang yung Coach ko. Ganito din yung niya, chain niya. I don't think kasya yung Samsung Flip Z ko dito. But who cares? I'm only gonna put lipstick, tiny lipstick, and tiny perfume. And yung material niya, guys, iba yung material niya dito, oh. Sa ano, ito is exactly the same, or yeah, I'm gonna compare this. Because, by the way, this is my third bag from this brand. I already have two tiny bags from Kate Spade that I own years back. Yung pinakaunang Kate Spade na handbag ko, ganito yung material niya, oh, yung ginamit nila dito sa bottom part. Parang ganito, yung color ganito. I'm gonna compare them tomorrow because it's night time. I don't think I can, really, but I think it's really exactly the same. I'm probably gonna make another video. By the way, sa likod, meron din pa siyang isang bulsa. Isn't that cute? My God, it's very cute. I can't get enough how beautiful the color is. Yung pagka-pink niya. So, ayan guys, another gift from me to me. Because I love me. More handbags. Pang-apat na bag na binigay ko sa sarili ko this year. This Christmas, I mean. So pretty. So pretty. So precious. Maybe I'll buy another color. Since mahilig ako sa maliliit na bag. So, last two gifts, guys, that I got myself this year, Christmas 2024, is, of course, hindi mawawala yung sobrang paborito kong brand ng perfume, which is the Giorgio Armani. So, I got me the Armani My Way Parfum, and then My Way Intense. This is the Intense. My Way Intense Parfum, and this is the My Way Parfum. Have seen my previous vlogs before. I'm a big fan of Giorgio Armani perfume. My top two favorite perfume is the My Way line and the Giorgio Armani Acqua di Gioia. Paborito kong perfume talaga yung My Way, yung original, which is I have that plan na bibili ako ng malaki and I'm gonna engrave my name in it on my birthday next month as a self gift, of course. Etong parfum, My Way Parfum, hindi ko pa siya na-try. So, kasi mahal siya. Ngayon ko lang siya binili since Christmas time. I grabbed the opportunity na parang self-gifts. Ang daming perfume. So, I'm crazy. So, yeah. And yung Intense naman, nasubukan ko na to, but I didn't have a big bottle. I have the small bottle na part siya sa set. Na I got it also, I think, last year or 2 years ago. So, they're all good. They're all super long lasting. Kaya, sobrang paborito ko sila. But itong perfume, first time ko siyang subukan. And medyo mahal sila, guys. Among this perfume na niregalo ko sa sarili ko, most of them are just under $50. All of the set, I think, is under $50. Ito yung parang talagang gumastos ako in one bottle. This is $110 and the Intense is $90. So, medyo mahal siya. Mas mahal pa din siya sa bag na mga nabili ko. Yung Kate Spade naman is under $100. Yung Michael Kors, they are all under $100 each. Kaya yung mga sapatos na binili ko. So, ito yung medyo mahal na individual item na binili ko sa sarili ko this Christmas. So, let's open this in the first one. The Intense. They're all the same. But yung medyo color ng bote nila, yun lang ang This is the Armani My Way Intense. Yeah, Intense had the blue. Yeah, ito yung Intense. So, dark blue yung niya. Yung color lang, bottom part, tsaka yung cup niya. Yeah, this is craziness. It's the perfume, the scent that really makes me crazy. This is so good. Smells so good. Kung gusto niyo guys, mag-try ng Armani perfume, I think I suggest you try the My Way line. You won't regret it. Kahit medyo mahal sila talaga. Ito naman ang My Way Parfum. And, so, ito yung bote niya. Pareho lang sila, diba? Pareho lang din siya sa Intense. Ito more darker. A little bit more darker than the other bottle. The My Way Intense perfume is a little bit darker yung bote niya. And hopefully, I'm hoping this is more long lasting. Well, I don't have complaint to the lasting time of this My Way perfume, because they really last long time, all day, next day is still in your clothes. But because ano ba yung ano guys, difference ng Eau de Parfum at saka yung parfum lang. My Way perfume, My Way Eau de Parfum. So I don't know, I'm hoping this will be like maybe super long lasting than the original My Way and the Intense. So I'm gonna give you an update later kung it smell good or, it lasts long. I hope it lasts long. Hopefully worth the price. Natapos din tayo guys. Yeah, these are all the things I got me this year. There's so many of them. I think I got too much that got me. I got handbag, I got shoes, I gifted myself a lot of perfume. So, it's Christmas time. Give yourself some love. I think I give myself too much love because I give myself too much gift. But of course, my husband gave me a lot also. He got me a Barbie. Got me this Sakura $50 gift card, which I can't wait for tomorrow because I want to eat salmon teriyaki. And my husband got me a drone, and he got me also a Calvin Klein perfume. So yeah, he gave me a lot this year. And I give myself a lot this year. Because of course, I love me. So, you guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time.